my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very traditional Punjabi dish that's called Dal Makhani, and along with the Dal Makhani I'm going to also make Pudina Lachha Paratha. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are some black urad dal that I have already pressure cooked in this cooker, as you can see, for about half an hour on low flame. And this is the oil, some ginger julienne, some garlic, kasuri methi, salt to taste, degi mirch powder or red chili powder for color. This is generally for color. I have some cumin powder, some heavy cream. I'm using some butter because this is dal makhani and makhan or butter is added to it, and I have some tomato puree. To make the Pudina Lachha Paratha, I have 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta, some oil. This is the black sesame seeds or kala til. I have some pudina, crushed pudina. This is the dried crushed pudina. And I have a pinch of salt to taste and some water to make the dough. So let's start preparing the dal makhani first. So now I'm going to heat this pan. It's heating, and when the pan gets heated, I'm going to add some oil to it. Now since I've already boiled the dal, I'm just going to make a tadka and let the dal simmer and cook on low flame. I'm going to just cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour. Just leave it like that, because the more you simmer and cook on low flame, you're going to get that traditional dal makhani flavor. So now the oil is hot. I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger julienne. Now let this fry for a minute before I add the tomato puree. So now I'm going to add the tomato puree as well. So let the tomato puree cook in this for a couple of minutes. So on low flame, I'm just cooking this tomato puree for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now I'm going to add all the other spices. In goes the salt, the degi mirch powder for color, some cumin powder, and the kasuri methi as well. Mix everything together and just let the masala simmer for about 2 minutes in this puree. Okay, so now I'm going to add the dal that I pre-boiled. And let this dal simmer on low flame for about 20 to 30 minutes. Although it's already cooked, but then the flavors need to infuse with each other, and let it just cook. So I'm just going to cover this and leave it for about 30 minutes. So while our dal has been cooking for about 30 minutes, I'm going to make the dough for our Pudina Lachha Paratha. Let's make the dough for our Pudina Lachha Paratha. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt in this atta and mix it together. And now I'm going to add some water and make a dough. The dough is ready now, and I'm going to make lachha parathas with this, and it's going to be super delicious. And let me show you how to make that. So before we roll out the lachha paratha, I have this oil, this pudina. I'm going to add this dried pudina in this oil, and the black sesame seeds or kala til in this oil. Okay, and now I'm going to start rolling the paratha. I've added some dried flour to this. And I just take some portion out and just make a ball out of this and put some dry flour. So once I roll this out like this, I'm going to make a big circle. Now once I roll it out like this, what I'm gonna do is take a brush or a spoon, whatever you can find, and then just mix everything together and then just rub this in over here. Okay. Once you rub the oil, the pudina leaves and the black sesame seeds like this, and then I'm going to make a fan out of this. So it's very carefully I'm going to make a kind of a fan. Okay, and then I'm just going to roll this out, twist it like this and roll it out again. You can add some dry flour if you wish to, or just press it out with your hands. And then what I'm going to do is, I have this water over here and I'm going to apply some water to this like this and slowly lift this paratha and place it on a tawa like this. So this is the paratha over here, and as you can see, I've put some charcoal on this to get that tandoori flavor. So now I'm just going to turn this over on this charcoal that I have to get that charred and tandoori flavor. Just leave it like this for a couple of minutes and keep turning in between. See? And see, this will give a traditional tandoori flavor without putting it in the oven. Okay, now I'm just going to turn this around as well. Ghee on this. It looks delicious. And then I'm just going to crush it before serving. See, after crushing, it looks so delicious and yummy with all these layers in between. I'm going to make another one now. So our dal makhani has been simmering on low flame for about 30 minutes, and in between I did stir it so it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. And I can get that superb delicious fragrance. Now I'm going to add this butter. And some cream. not a whole lot, but a little bit. And I mix it again. And again, let it simmer on low flame for another 10 minutes. I can get the traditional dal makhani flavor and also exactly how it smells in the restaurants, and the flavor is good as well. Okay, so let it simmer on low flame for another 5 to 10 minutes and then you're ready. So let's check on this. So our dal makhani is now ready and let me serve it. Our pudina lachha parantha looks delicious and it's ready. You can see this tandoori charred look on this parantha, and it has multiple layers as you can see. And this is the dal that we just prepared. That's exactly restaurant style. I hope you enjoyed watching my recipe, and do try this at home and add your comments on my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.